Hi everyone, it's Saunter Scamper here on Saturday, January 12th, 2019. My dreadlocks are 2 years and 6 months old now, and also I've got 50 dreadlocks like I have had the last few updates. I think the main things I want to update you on are, one, the length. So, and I'll show you from back. So it seems like I have a lot more dreadlocks on the sides than I do in the back. Also, the second thing that I want to update you on is the ends of some of them. The thicker ones, and I think a lot of them are in the back. So I've got fewer dreadlocks in the back, but thicker ones. And they are pretty long too. So this one and this one. So yeah, they're stiff. And I think it's because I palm rolled too much early on. So the first part that dreaded, like the very beginning of it that was at my scalp, well, that ended up like just shrinking up a lot more than it is from there on up to the scalp. Like this is the normal width that amount of hair should be. But this just matured too fast and I washed it too often. Yeah, I washed it too often. And I palm rolled it too much, so it's very dense and it's hard to get it to bend properly like you would if you put it up in a hairstyle. I'm not really finding the ones that are quite as long as I think it's because they're in the back. But here's another one. And yeah, I think I probably also need to see if there's any buildup in them by, because it could be buildup that's making it more hard, and it might help if I do some hot water soaks on the ends and, you know, put some apple cider vinegar and maybe some of the tea tree spearmint. I'm not sure. Maybe I shouldn't put any shampoo in. I'm not sure. Also, you might see here, there's loose hair, and it's because, and if you watched my videos early on, I talk about this, how this section in the front here to here on both sides, I took out the dreadlock that was there. And so because it's such fine see-through hair, so fine that when you pull back your dreadlocks, if you've got this one in a dreadlock, it just makes it look really kind of a lot of scalp showing. And so I decided to just leave this stuff out. So there's this one in the front. This one's thicker at the bottom also. I remember that's how it was made. It was made to be a little bit thicker at the bottom. But this stuff isn't hard. Like this part, this dreadlock is not hard at all. So I know that I did not palm roll this one as much. I let this one dread more on its own. And so even though it's thicker there, which is how I had Debbie make it a little bit thicker there, but it's just not too bad. Yeah, if the rest of them were like that, I think it would be fine. So I think I'm gonna go and soak it. I think I'm gonna go soak them. Also, I never updated you on that coconut water I was using. Remember, I got it in the refrigerated section at Trader Joe's. Coconut water. It tasted delicious. I sprayed it on my dreadlocks. I did not notice any difference. It wasn't better than Dolly Locks tightening spray. It wasn't that great. I mean, I really couldn't do a very good review. I don't know. I think it got a little crunchy, but I'm not sure. So that's all I've got for you, and take care. And I'm glad I got to make this update for you. Other people have been asking when I'm going to do an update, and I have been putting it off.